haven't heard anyone else talk about all these baby essentials before, so I thought why not share what worked best for our family. And if anything else works with your family, please stick with that and keep doing what works best for your family. But this is what worked for my family. Hi, my name is Ornina and I do have an 11-month-old baby. We already had one international flight with him and one road trip. As some of you know, we are away from home for a month, and these essentials help us so much throughout all the time that we've been away from home. I'm gonna be listing everything in the description down below, and I will be numbering each item on the screen. So if you need anything from the list that I am providing, just write the number down and go to the list below, and you will be able to find it really easy. Okay, so let's start from the first item. I love this Messy Eater stain treater. My son loves fruit, and this thing takes all the stains away. I've tried it on so many different things and it actually works. I use it all over the house right now, and it's a must in my house. Always have with you on the road, in the airplane, in a hotel room, in your house, a baby Tylenol. You don't know when your kid is gonna get sick. You always have that peace of mind. If anything happens to my kid, I always have Tylenol on hand, and I don't have to worry about running in the middle of the night to get him Tylenol. I do have this pouch. It's from Safety First. It's like this. It's 2 compartments. I usually fill it with other things than what it came with. I have extra Q-tips. I have saline water, alcohol wipes, even though I always carry alcohol wipes with me. Desitin? I don't know how to pronounce the name, but this is the maximum strength diaper rash paste. I always have this maximum strength one in here just in case I need it. And I do have this baby SPF, multiple nail filer, a CeraVe moisturizing cream in travel size, and a thermometer, hair brush, a nail clipper. This safety card, it has all my son's information in it, and an emergency contact just in case something happens. By Aquaphor, this is a healing ointment, a water wipe. Also have the Frida Baby Fever Frida, the cool pads. Snacks. Oh my god, you guys, I can't tell you enough how much snacks are helpful. Also, if I'm traveling, I do take baby food with me. Triple paste. This one is all-in-one triple protection. This is great for diaper rash. I've tried multiple ones and I am loving this the most. This is not maximum strength, so I can always apply it on. So all these items are not in order of use, but my next must-have item is the bottle and dish soap. I love this brand, the Dapple. I have the big bottle just because I am away for a month and it was a road trip, so it worked perfectly for me. But when I traveled internationally, I did take with me a smaller version that was TSA approved, and it's from the brand Baby Ganix. Next, I'm gonna go to the bottle brush. This brush is our old brush, so I did replace it at home, and I was like, okay, since we're gonna go away, I'm just gonna take the old one and then I'll just throw it away when we are done. And once we go home, I'm gonna have a brand new one. This brush is my favorite brush. It's from OXO. Also, I do have this drying rack. It's from Munchkin. It's very convenient to use. This doesn't take a lot of space in your luggage. This doesn't take a lot of space in your hotel room, so you can dry everything on here, and it has worked perfectly for our family. Dr. Brown's microwave steam sterilizer bags. You can throw everything in here with a little bit of water and just close it and throw it in the microwave and take it out. Everything should be steamed. This bag is great because you can also use it up to 20 times. Wipes.
Let me get the other one.
I love wipes. Wipes are with me all the time. Toy table and high chair wipes. My son is always ripping these wipes open, but these are the antibacterial hand wipes. Dr. Brown's pacifier and bottle wipes. Baby monitor. I do have at home the walkie-talkie baby monitor. I'm gonna list it down below on the same number of this. That thing is amazing, but just because we were away for a month, I was like, we do need something to see our baby just in case we are not around him. And I did pick up this. This is great because it's wireless, so you don't need any internet for it. You know, you can have some trouble with hotel internets. You're not gonna need that with this monitor, and it works perfectly. On the go pacifier sterilizer. I have this from Munchkin and I always attach it to his car seat. Oogie Bear. These babies, they have the smallest nostrils ever, and you need something to dig in there to clean them because they cannot breathe if you don't. These small things, they are amazing. This one comes with two. You can always use one for their ear and another one for their nose, but I haven't used these for the ear yet, so I don't know how that works. I know I always use it for his nose. This bag dispenser, it's amazing. This is from Munchkin. I really like it because it's always attached to his diaper bag. For white noise, it's from the brand Rome. I know the other one, there's another one that's more popular that has more sounds. This one only have 3 sounds in it. If your baby likes to sleep on a heartbeat or something like that, I would say don't use this one. You can buy the other one. I'm gonna link it down below, but my baby sleeps perfectly on this sound alone. We do have pacifier clippers and also like these strings. I don't know what they call them, but I love them to always keep the things on the table in front of him. Bibs. Bibs, I love this bib. I'll tell you why. First of all, it has so many levels right here to snap it around his neck. Second of all, this is always open. And I have another brand that's closed. It's very flimsy and it closes, and it doesn't always catch all his food. This is more structured and it's always open, so whatever falls, it's always falling in here. I love this brand so much. It's called, I think it's called Bulu Lollipop. I'm not sure, but I'll link it down below. Yes, you need these. I take these everywhere with me. If he has a new outfit on and I don't want to be changing it after every meal, I'll be putting this on and calling it a day. Bed sheets. If you're traveling and your baby sleeps with you on the same bed, I don't know how you do it, but if your hotel provides a pack and play for your baby to sleep, you always need to use your own sheet. Even if you are using your own pack and play, you still need a sheet, so always pack at least one sheet with you. I love this changing mat. This is from Gather. They have different styles. I do like this style because it has different animals on it. This is leather and you can wipe it so easily. The best changing mat I have ever came across. This can be folded so many ways, can go so small, you can just stick it anywhere, and once you need to change your baby, just open it, change your baby, and wipe it clean, fold it, and you have a clean mat again, and you know your baby is always being changed on a clean surface. Tush baby hip carrier. It closes like this and you can open it. It opens, you can put it around just like this. Let me show you. You can put it around like this. And it also has a clip and a lock as well, so this is not going anywhere. You have it on and your baby sits here, and you have so many different pockets for your wipes. You also have, if you need a bottle can sit here. And also you have this pocket. I usually put my wipes, the changing mat. This takes so much. Also, it has this pocket up front if you want to put your phone really quick. It has this pocket on this side, an inside pocket right here. This is a multi-use thing, and it takes so much pressure. When you have this on, you can easily hold your baby and do so much more. On this road trip, I literally had it with me all the time. Every time we would stop, I have to go change my son and come back. This is all I needed to go down with, and it had everything that I needed to change him. This is a life-changing product. I would 100% recommend this. The next thing I would recommend is my Stoke bathtub. This thing is amazing. It folds and it doesn't take a lot of space. When I did travel internationally, I did take one of these inflatable ones, but just because this was a road trip, so I was able to pack this in the car really quick. It's very small, doesn't take a lot of space, and it's actually one of my favorite purchases of 2023. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel with ringing the bell to be notified with all my new content. Thank you for watching. Bye!